Hi, my name is Jo Robertson and I'm Education Director for Wonderful Brands. Today I'm going to be talking to you about yellow silver pigments. We all know the battles that you can have with trying to remove brassy tones out of hair. They just keep coming back and back and back. So having an additive like the silver pigments is really amazing because you can use it in your colours, you can use it in your care, so in your treatments, and you can also use it in your smoothing treatments as well. So it is an all-round hero for us. For me, the ingredients are really quite amazing. We work on the inside as well as the outside. We have the acacia berry that works internally, that targets all those yellow tones. And then we also have the rose of Jericho, which works on the outside, which protects our hair from things like pollution that can yellow our hair after a time. So these really great ingredients really do make a difference. It is an intense purple tone that will really help you combat those unwanted brassiness in hair. As part of the silver family, we also have a shampoo and a conditioner which complement the range. These products can be all used together. So for instance, you can use this as toning. So if you've done a bleach, for instance, and you want to remove the brassy tones, you can add this into your silver shampoo to intensify that. So how you do that is for every 10 ml of shampoo, you add 1 pump, which is 1 ml of the silver pigments. You apply that to the hair, you leave that for 3 to 5 minutes, and that will give you that sort of super intense shock to remove all those brassy tones. And then if you want to add that into your conditioner as well as a really deep penetrating removal of all brassiness, you can add that into your conditioner as well, which you do 20 ml of your conditioner and 2 ml of your product as well. And what that will do is just give you that super sharp shock, intense of purple tones to remove that unwanted brassiness in the hair. Adding it into your care products. So we have 4 different treatments that are available in our yellow range. These are all masks and you can apply it to each product. So if you want to protect your colour, you can use the colour one. If you want to repair the hair, you can use repair. You can use them across all 4, and your mixing ratio is 1 to 10 of those. You can also use it in your colour. Now, for me, this has been an absolute godsend, especially on high lift tints. So within our energy series, the 11s, we know that lifting the hair up to the maximum before adding a bleach into the hair, you're going to get all those unwanted tones in there. And for me, I've been adding it into my energy series and I have had the most amazing results. So much cleaner. I'm getting rid of all those unwanted yellow tones that do tend to pop out when you're using a high lift colour. You can add that in there. Your mixing ratio for this is for every 60 ml of colour, you use 8 ml of the product. So 60 ml of colour in your bowl, up to 8 pumps, 8 ml of this in there. And that will really help to neutralise any unwanted tones when you're lifting. Finally, you can also use it in any keratin smoothing treatments. We know when you heat the keratin up when doing one of these treatments, all those yellow tones tend to pop through. So this is a really great way of combating that and maybe not having to do so much colour work afterwards. Your mixing ratio for this is for every 60 ml of mousse that you use 6 ml of your pure silver pigments in there. What I recommend is when you have used one of these mousse bottles is to save it when it's empty, so then you can decant it in there and add your pure silver in for your clients.